Dawn breaks over Jackson Heights, Queens, where the aroma of fresh samosas and brewing chai fills the morning air. Here in one of America's most diverse neighborhoods, South Asian culture thrives and evolves, creating vibrant new expressions of community and tradition in the modern world. The famous Roosevelt Avenue comes alive as shop owners raise their shutters. Traditional clothing stores display fashion that bridges cultures. Saris with contemporary designs, fusion wear that speaks to second-generation sensibilities. Each window tells stories of adaptation and innovation, showing how cultural heritage finds new expression in America. Inside the Jackson Heights Cultural Center, young dancers prepare for a classical performance. Their rehearsal blends traditional Bharatanatyam movements with modern choreography. These students, many born in America, maintain deep connections to their heritage while creating new artistic expressions that speak to contemporary audiences. The South Asian Arts Council in Manhattan showcases another dimension of cultural evolution. Gallery walls display works where traditional miniature painting techniques meet modern themes. Young artists use ancient methods to address contemporary issues, their work bridging centuries and continents through creative expression. In Edison, New Jersey, Oak Tree Road demonstrates the economic power of cultural community. Modern grocery stores stock traditional ingredients while accepting cryptocurrency payments. Restaurant owners combine authentic recipes with innovative marketing, their success stories inspiring new generations of entrepreneurs. The Devon Avenue corridor in Chicago pulses with entrepreneurial energy. Tech startups operate above traditional sweet shops, while professional offices neighbor vintage jewelry stores. This vibrant business district shows how cultural preservation creates economic opportunity, strengthening both community and commerce. At the Houston Durga Bari Society, preparations begin for the annual cultural festival. Volunteers coordinate through mobile apps while planning traditional ceremonies. The event, which once served a small community, now attracts thousands of visitors from diverse backgrounds, showcasing how cultural celebrations enrich American society. The Islamic Center of Irving, Texas demonstrates interfaith harmony in action. During Ramadan, the community hosts interfaith iftars where traditional South Asian hospitality welcomes visitors from all backgrounds. These gatherings build bridges between communities while preserving cultural authenticity. Atlanta's Global Mall shows how cultural spaces evolve. Traditional bazaar layouts meet modern retail concepts, creating shopping experiences that serve both community needs and contemporary lifestyles. The mall becomes a cultural hub where generations gather, commerce flows, and traditions live on. In the San Francisco Bay Area, the Festival of Lights transforms urban spaces. Diwali celebrations incorporate drone shows alongside traditional lamps, while cultural performances use augmented reality to enhance ancient stories. These events show how technology can enhance rather than diminish cultural traditions. The Fremont Hindu Temple Complex serves as more than a religious center. Its community halls host coding camps for children, where traditional values guide modern education. The temple's approach demonstrates how cultural institutions can evolve while maintaining their essential character. The journey continues to Seattle, where the vibrant Pike Place Market occasionally features South Asian street performances. Classical musicians share their art with an audience diverse in culture and age, creating a space where traditional melodies echo amidst modern cityscapes. Further south in Los Angeles, the annual South Asian Film Festival offers a platform for diasporic voices in cinema. Films explore themes of identity, belonging, and generational conflict, sparking conversations that resonate beyond the South Asian community. Directors and audiences alike find in these stories a mirror to their experiences and a bridge to understanding. In Miami, the colors and rhythms of South Asian culture intersect with Caribbean influences. Joint cultural events celebrate this unique blend, where Bollywood beats meet reggae rhythms, creating a vibrant tapestry of shared traditions. This cultural cross-pollination highlights the richness of American multiculturalism. Philadelphia's historic districts host South Asian heritage walks, guiding participants through the stories of early immigrants who contributed to the city's growth. These tours not only honor the past but inspire pride and a sense of belonging in younger generations. In Austin, Texas, the South Asian Book Festival brings together authors and readers to explore literature that spans continents and cultures. From poetry recitations to panel discussions, the festival becomes a space where words weave connections across generations. Detroit's South Asian Motor City Collective exemplifies resilience and reinvention. Here, the stories of immigrants intertwine with the city's industrial history. Workshops teach traditional crafts alongside engineering skills, showcasing a blend of heritage and innovation that propels the community forward. In Minneapolis, the annual South Asian Winter Market offers a blend of traditional crafts and modern art forms. Vendors sell everything from handcrafted ornaments to digital prints inspired by classical designs, creating a marketplace that embodies cultural continuity and creativity. In Portland, Oregon, the South Asian Environmental Collective merges traditional ecological knowledge with contemporary environmental activism. Community members participate in tree planting drives, inspired by ancient practices of forest preservation, showcasing how cultural wisdom informs modern sustainability efforts. The vibrant Chinatown International District in Seattle includes South Asian influences in its culinary tours, where chefs demonstrate the fusion of regional flavors. Here, traditional dishes are reinvented, blending ingredients and techniques that symbolize cultural dialogue. Across the country in Boston, academic institutions host South Asian cultural symposiums, where scholars discuss topics ranging from ancient philosophies to modern diasporic challenges. These events foster intellectual exchange while deepening cultural understanding. In Washington, D.C., South Asian advocacy groups engage with policymakers to address issues affecting immigrant communities. Their efforts ensure that the voices of diverse cultural groups are heard, contributing to a more inclusive society. San Diego's coastline provides a picturesque setting for the annual Festival of Kites, where vibrant kites featuring traditional South Asian designs fill the sky. This celebration draws participants from all backgrounds, embodying the spirit of unity through shared joy. In Phoenix, the South Asian Technology Summit highlights the contributions of immigrants in shaping the tech landscape. Panels and workshops focus on innovation, entrepreneurship, and the interplay of cultural values in the business world. The American South sees the rise of South Asian farming cooperatives. In rural areas of Alabama and Mississippi, these cooperatives blend traditional agricultural practices with modern techniques, creating sustainable food systems while fostering community resilience. In Denver, yoga studios incorporate South Asian philosophical teachings alongside physical practice, offering holistic wellness experiences that honor the tradition's roots. These spaces become cultural sanctuaries, promoting mental and physical health. The Kansas City South Asian Music Collective brings together classical and contemporary musicians to create cross-genre performances. Their concerts attract audiences from diverse backgrounds, showcasing the universal appeal of music. As the day closes in Jackson Heights, the cycle of cultural celebration and community spirit continues. Across America, the South Asian diaspora exemplifies how cultural heritage enriches and evolves within the American mosaic. These stories of integration, innovation, and resilience underscore the dynamic interplay between tradition and modernity, creating a richer, more inclusive society for all.